Hello everyone. Today I am with another problem of JEST 2023. This is a question of thermodynamics that says using the first law of thermodynamics du equals to TdS minus PdV and the definitions of the thermodynamics potentials H, F, G, work out the four Maxwell relations. Using these, compute chi. So we have to calculate what is the value of chi, and at first we have to calculate Maxwell's equations from the four thermodynamic potential. Let's start. Okay. At first, the first law of thermodynamics, that is given by du equals to Tds minus Pdv. Now, as it is exact differential, we can write that del T del V at constant S equals to minus del T del V. So, del P del S at constant V. Okay. This is the first equations. This is the Maxwell equation. Okay. Now H equals to U plus PV. So dH equals to du plus PdV plus VdP. Okay. Now du plus PdV, from the first law of thermodynamics we can write it as TdS plus PdV. Sorry, VdP. Okay. From here we can write, it is also a exact differential, so we can write del T del P at constant S equals to del T del P del V del S at constant P. Okay. This is a Maxwell equations. Now put the value F equals to U minus Ts. Okay. Now differentiate it. dF equals to du minus Tds minus S dt. Sorry, S dt. Okay. Du minus Tds gives minus Pdv minus S dt. Okay. From here, this is also exact differential. From here we can write del P del T at constant V equals to del S del V at constant T. Okay. Now the last one, G, that is gives free energy, H minus Ts. Okay. It will give dG equals to dH minus Tds minus S dt. Put the value of dH from here. So we can get Tds plus V dP minus Tds minus S dt. So Tds will cancel out. From here we can write del V del T at constant P equals to del S del P at constant T. These are the four Maxwell's equations. You can write also from this. You can check that sportive, that this one. This is the first Maxwell equation, that is del S del P at constant T. Del S del P. Oh, here it will be a minus sign. Okay. Del S del P at constant T equals to minus del V del T at constant P. And you can check as well the other equations also. Okay. From this, the second equation will start from here. The third equation will start from here. Del T del V. That is this. Okay. Okay. Now chi is given by del T del V at constant S plus del T del P at constant S plus del P del T at constant V plus del V del T at constant P. Now from these four Maxwell's equations we have to put just the value of these four terms and we can get the answer. Now put first del T del V at constant S. Del T del V at constant S. So it will be minus del P del S at constant V. Next del T del P at constant X. Del T del P at constant S. This is del V del S at constant P plus del P del T at constant V. Del P del T at constant V. So it will be del S del V at constant T plus del V del T at constant P. Del P del T at constant P. So it will be minus del S del P del S del P at constant T. Now just arrange it. Okay. Del S del V at constant T minus del S del P at constant T and del V del S then plus del V del S at constant P minus del P del S, sorry here, del P del S at constant V. Okay, this is our chi, value of the chi. So check the options. First option, del S del V at constant T minus del S del P at constant T plus del V del S at constant P minus del P del S at constant V. So our correct answer will be option A. Okay, thank you.